guys, it's Lid from Lashbox LA. Thank you so much for joining us today and for your questions and your comments. Please keep them coming. Today we're going to be talking about our advanced styling curls, and we are so excited about the curls we just launched. When we think about styling lashes, it is so much fun. It allows for so much creativity. The same way we style our hair. You can curl it, you can put it up, you can straighten it and leave it down. It allows for so much individual expression, and now we can do that even more so with our different lash curls. The shape of these curls is very exciting, and as you can see on the screen right now, they all have a very different shape, but they're actually quite similar, which allows for very easy transitions. But based on the shape of these that you can see, notice how the base is straight and then they curl up. So these curls are wonderful for people who need extra lift. One thing that I love about this new line of curls is that you can create a completely different look than you are capable of creating on your clients with the curls that you were using previously. So if you were using a C or a D, you can now create a very different style, even a different shape to their eye with these new line of curls. My eyes, for instance, I usually wear a C or a D, sometimes a C plus curl, and our master lash artist Sylvia just put a full set of L plus curl lashes on me, and we did a kitten shape, and it really does draw the line of my eye much differently. I think it's a great style. We're so excited about our new curls. I hope you are too. Let us know what you think in the comments below. You can subscribe. Thanks so much for joining us. We'll see you next time.